Let me make this clear. If you're not using AI to make money in 2025, you're already behind. While most people scroll on TikTok all day, there are kids earning passive income while they sleep, and they're using free AI tools to do it. Here's the truth nobody told you in school. Passive income isn't about luck, it's about systems. And AI just made it easier than ever to build those systems, even if you've got zero experience. Forget crypto, forget dropshipping. You can now automate 80% of a business for free with ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, and a bit of strategy. Here's a 3-step plan to earn passive income using AI. Step 1. Pick a niche. Find something people actually search for. Weight loss, dating, freelancing, AI tools. Use ChatGPT to research the top 10 questions in that niche. Done. Step 2. Create automated content. Use ChatGPT to write 10 blog posts or video scripts. Use Canva plus AI voice tools to turn those into YouTube videos or carousels. Boom. Content on autopilot. Step 3. Monetize it. Add affiliate links. Promote digital products. Or sell an ebook made by ChatGPT. Set it up once. Let it work 24/7 while you sleep. No excuses, no noise, just execution. Most people will watch this and do nothing. They'll scroll to the next video and stay broke. Don't be that guy. You've got AI, internet, and time on your side. If you don't use it, someone else will, and they'll win while you whine. If you want more step-by-step breakdowns like this, like, follow, and DM me AI Money. I'll show you how to build your first 500-month income stream. No fluff, just real results.